Guided me through my darkest days. You lit up all my rat-infested face. 'Cause I know in my heart you will be there every morning when horizons are stark. You will be my ray of sunshine. You will be my ray of sunshine. When you held me, I sang words of hope, and you fed me the punchline to that joke. 'Cause I know in my heart you will be there every morning when horizons are stark. You will be my ray of sunshine. You will be my ray of sunshine. Ray of sunshine.
Welcome everybody. Today on June the 5th, 2010, we are blessed by God to celebrate the union of John and Susan into holy matrimony. Together with family and friends, they have traveled across the oceans from Scotland to make this holy commitment. As we prepare together in our hearts to bear witness to this union, I would first like to read from the New Testament, the first book of John, chapter 4. Beloved, let us love one another, because love is from God. Everyone who loves is born of God and knows God. Whoever does not love does not know God, for God is love. God's love was revealed among us in this way. God sent his only Son into the world so that we might live through him. And this is love. Not that we loved God, but that he loved us and sent his only Son to be the atoning sacrifice for all of our sins. Beloved, since God loved us so much, we also ought to love one another. No one has ever seen God, but if we love one another, God lives in us and his perfect love in us. Here ends the reading. Thanks be to God. Now I ask, who here wishes to give this bride to her awaiting groom? I do. Go ahead. John, will you and Susan meet and take each other's hands and face each other? John, will you take Susan to be your lawful wife? Will you love her, honor and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, only keep only unto her, so long as you both shall live? Thank you. May we have the rings, please? Thank you. John, will you take the ring? And you can place it on Susan's finger as you repeat after me, please. I, John.
I, John.
Take you, Susan.
Take you, Susan.
To be my lawful wife.
To be my lawful wife.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better or for worse.
For better or for worse.
For richer or for poorer.
For richer or for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
While we both shall live.
as we forth shall win.
You may place the ring. Susan, I will ask you of the same. Susan, will you take John to be your lawful husband? Will you love him, honor and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keep only unto him, so long as you both shall live? Susan, will you repeat after me, please? I, Susan,
I, Susan,
take you, John,
take you, John,
to be my lawful husband,
to be my lawful husband,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
while we both shall live.
till we both shall live.
Would you hand these, okay, to the bridesmaid there? Now will the bride and the groom each take a candle, and together light the marital candle in the middle. Like that back there. This marital candle will signify their commitment for each other as they now become one. Now by the powers bestowed upon me by the Commonwealth of Virginia, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time, I would like to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. John Smith.
satisfied look mean that you've read my mind? Why do we gaze into each other's eyes? What do we try to discover? I know that smile, that satisfied smile, means that you found the answer.
As we put our children to bed, confused by the comforting words that we said, pictures of carnage steal our dreams, so close at hand you can catch it. This is the new beginning. Did we never see it coming? Can we be too disbelieving? As it closes in, as it closes in, as it closes in. Said this cannot be happening here. As wave after wave we disappear.